Thirst is nothing. Image is everything. Show me. Thirst is nothing. Image is everything. Get the youth. Elephant is energetic. That's what we talk. Obey your image. Alright? Good. Show me something. Alright? I'm out. Peace.
So you know Elephant Man say image is everything and thirst is nothing. So you see elephant that come out and carry away a wash. So what do you think? Tell me now, people. No think you might overdo it now, or think of the style. More hear no opinion and get in the comment box and tell me what do you think about what the energy got go on with. We know say Elephant Man style has always been different. Him always have him color here, and in performance is something to see. So we know how Elephant do film thing already, but now it look like he might take it to a different level. Cause him say image is everything, thirst is nothing. I still not fully understand what that mean. I understand the image is everything part, but the thirst is nothing. I kind of need some help with it. Maybe somebody can explain it in the comments. All right. Next, I want to talk about Sheneea. So yesterday was Sheneea's 23rd birthday, and I made a video, send some greetings to her. I'm showing her the post them where Romeich make a send to her. I'm going to say, if anybody want to bet me that Romeich going to buy her something, but there was no bet. Roxanne, you should have bet me. Me tell us to bet me $10. A $10 US that people can buy something. But it turned out that he didn't buy her anything, but he took her out for dinner. So here's the clippings from that.
Shillings, money. Birthday girl. You keep them restaurant, brother?
Yeah. It's my place.
Boogie in your nose.
Birthday.
Smash up.
May the good Lord bless you.
May
the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Hooray! Hooray! She's a jolly good fellow, for she's a jolly good fellow, for she's a jolly good fellow. That nobody can deny.
She's a jolly at all.
I want to take a quick second to tell you how you could win all of this that's on the screen right now. So go to Instagram and follow @YadiCosmetics, tag 5 friends and hashtag YadiCosmetics. Go to Facebook, do the same exact thing. Follow @YadiCosmetics, tag 5 friend, comment, hashtag YadiCosmetics, and you could win that. All right? Now I want to send condolences to Yanique the Curvy Diva and her family. We recently learned that her mother passed away through a post that she made on social media. So Yanique posted this piece that says, "I'm home," which looked like a kind of a prayer, and then she captioned it and said, "This is exactly what she said. Thank you, Jesus, for giving us a few more months of laughter, love and advice from her. It made it way easier to accept, but it still hurt. SIP, sleep in peace," right? She was my biggest supporter. I remember anytime I would get upset or argue with someone, she would quietly start singing, "Maxil me come from at a bad place," and everybody would start laughing. I miss her so much. One advice she left me was to love God and live my life to the fullest, because it's better to have a short-filled life with happiness and good memories than a long-lived life filled with sadness and regrets. So rest in peace to Yanique's mother. My condolences to Yanique, her family, and her friends. You know, we post Yanique all the time when she do other things, so it's only right that we just show the little respect, you know what I mean? Maybe she sees, maybe she don't, but we are put it out in the universe and send our condolences. And I would encourage you to do the same. Please get in the comment box and show your respect if you wish to. All right? Other than that, if you haven't liked and followed this page, please like and follow the page. All right?